Dan.
How you enjoying the game?
All right, mate, all right.
Find that, Joe?
Oh, fun. Always good.
The umpire's attire.
Yeah. I reckon he's dapper.
I think it's very black and white.
Yeah, true.
Very black and white.
And a bit of green.
Bit of green.
Needs his umpire's coat.
He does need a coat. In 30 degrees, he needs a coat.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you?
If you're going to go all the
Why
way,
not?
you might as well.
Why not?
There we go. They found the ball.
They found the ball.
Good skills. Good skills. Good
Well done, boys.
I'm on fire.
quick words, a few thank yous before we get on to presentations and raffles. I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's helped this afternoon. Far too many people mentioned by name.
Don't hold the button when you talk. I commentate as Matt's called behind. It's been used.
Is this your first time, Rick?
Got to go? There we go. Yeah, far too many people to mention by name, but thank you everyone who's helped with the teas, the bar, the barbecue, the scoring, the pitch, the umpiring, everything. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I hope everyone's had a really, really good day. Obviously, part of today was to celebrate our 100th year, so I'm going to ask Brian Little, our former president, a long-term player, just to say a few words, if he would.
Hello everyone, can you hear me all right? Yeah. First of all, let me say I think it is absolutely wonderful to have been associated with this fantastic club for so many years. I think currently about 45 years. And I would just like to relate that back in 1981 I helped to produce a yearbook, and at that time the two presidents were Arthur Stacey and Joe Drew. And Arthur Stacey had played here in the very first game that was played in 1981. So directly or indirectly we can actually relate through 100 years. Well, I have to say that throughout that period I don't think I've ever seen a bigger crowd, and we were very lucky with the weather, and I would like to thank you for all coming along, and let us hope that this club will have another 100 years in the future. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you, Brian. We now come on to the presentation. Every time we've had a charity game since 2005, it's always been for the Steve Coombs Memorial Cup. Steve played for this club for many, many years, was our vice chairman. He ran the bar for many, many years. A great bloke, a father figure to a lot of us. I'm very thankful that Heather is here today, and I would like her, please, to present the winning captain, Mr. Coombs, Matthew, with a trophy.
He'll only drop it. Don't drop it. Because you always do. And I have video evidence. Speech.
Centre of attention again.
Yeah, it was an honour to play today.
That's enough, thanks.
I'd like to thank both teams for turning up and playing and making a massive effort. It was a great game, it was a close game. I'm really pleased to have won the cup. Until next year. Thank you.